Yeah, so what to know, at least for the weekend. Saturday, almost like normal, hot, humid with afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Sunday is, I think, where we're really going to be dealing with this tropical system starting to exit by Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're almost back to normal as the system pulls away. It just depends on how long this system lingers. Right now, it's not a tropical depression yet. It is, though, a tropical wave still producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms as it moves towards Cuba, and it's going to have that land interaction with Cuba today. So it's not going to develop into a tropical depression with that land interaction, at least for today. But once it moves into the Straits of Florida, it is likely to become a tropical depression then. And then it quickly moves towards southwest Florida, not quite making landfall in southwest Florida, but certainly supplying some heavier rainfall there. By Sunday afternoon, though, potentially making landfall from Tampa all the way up towards the Big Bend area of Florida before pushing into North Florida, the Georgia coastline, and then the Carolina coastline. And once it moves into these warm waters, it may have the potential to develop quick. I mean, check out these water temperatures right off the coast of Tampa and Sarasota, 90-degree water temperatures. That's just basically a lot of fuel for this to quickly develop. But the European is not picking up on that. The European actually keeps this as a weak tropical disturbance, but that would mean more rainfall for us in central Florida. GFS has its strengthening into some sort of tropical system, whether it's a tropical storm or maybe a high-end tropical storm. Winds not quite impressive, though, but it's still going to be a little bit breezy. And then once it moves out into the Atlantic, both models by Tuesday and Wednesday have the system developing right off the coast of the Carolinas. So when we talk about it potentially intensifying, I wouldn't really focus on that. I'm not quite concerned about the winds at this point, but it's more so going to be the rainfall. Today, tomorrow, just start prepping. By Sunday when the system arrives, heavy rain will be expected. We're watching the winds and we'll be watching the severe threat. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center doesn't have anything out for that severe threat, but we could certainly see a few stronger storms. But again, that biggest concern is going to be the rainfall. In some locations from Tampa up towards the Big Bend area and even into the northeast coastline of Jacksonville and Florida, we're looking at 7 to 10 inches of precipitation, smaller amounts in South Florida. The other story for today is going to be the heat. We have a heat advisory that's going to start at 11 o'clock this morning and go until 6 o'clock this evening because temperatures can feel a lot more like 111 in some spots, especially in Wildwood by 2:30 in the afternoon. So from 11 until 6 today, we have impact weather for that intense heat. In terms of rainfall, it'll be up to a 50% coverage, but we're not going to see a whole lot of rainfall today, despite all the moisture that we have. 11:30, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, a few developing showers along our east coast sea breeze. 2:30, 3 o'clock, scattered rainfall from Brevard County into the metro, and that continues to work back towards I-75 rather, as we go towards 5 o'clock this afternoon. So just expect some showers and a couple of thunderstorms here and there, but rain chances today will be on the lower end. Tomorrow, it's our normal day of afternoon showers and thunderstorms, just a little bit higher in coverage at 60%. Sunday's going to be an impact day for that heavy rainfall as we track the tropics, potentially lingering into Monday. Tuesday, I have a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms just in case that system does linger a little bit longer. But Wednesday and Thursday, for certain, we will start to dry out as our system pulls away.